Who isn't looking for more ways to make money with their YouTube channel? Hey, I'm Josh, a program manager at YouTube. We know that sometimes you need more than just ad revenue to support your ambitions. So today, I'm going to share with you some monetization options beyond ads that you can explore, and then answer a few common questions. Many creators supplement their income with channel-related ventures like selling merch and crowdfunding. And in the last few years, we started building new monetization features directly on YouTube like Super Chat and channel memberships to help diversify your revenue. When you take advantage of these other ways to make money, you're asking your audience to buy things like official creator merch, extra content, or shoutouts from you. So you should be conscious of what you can offer that will be of value to paying viewers, and the time and effort it will cost you to create and deliver these options. But don't let this deter you. Diversifying how you make money can bring in more revenue and also empower your channel to take on new projects. Sound good? Great. Now I'm going to walk you through some of the most common questions on these topics. Question 1. Do I have to have millions of subscribers to actually earn money or have my audience support me? No, you absolutely don't have to be famous to try other monetization options. What you need most is a dedicated audience. Niche channels without millions of subscribers still tend to do well because they have a loyal audience following them. If you're really not sure, you can always ask them in a video or add a poll card. Question 2. Asking my audience for money feels weird. How do I get past this? This is a great question as it can definitely feel awkward. But remember, viewers are buying things from you like Super Chat to highlight their message to you, or a set of members-only dedicated videos with channel memberships. It's not a one-way thing and it's always optional. Be sure to let viewers know that even if they don't purchase anything, you still love them and appreciate their time watching your content. Question 3. What should I offer that my audience will actually pay for? This answer lies in your audience. You know them best, so if you need any clues, you may want to read through your comments and take a look at your audience demographics. Also, are there things related to your channel brand that your audience would get really excited about? Whatever you end up making, be conscious of what you can offer that will be of value to paying viewers, and the time and effort it will cost you to create and deliver these options. And make sure it's scalable, so you can continue to deliver these offerings as your channel grows. Lastly, be mindful that you're following YouTube's community guidelines too. Last question, how do I know if I'm ready to try out monetization options beyond ads? Honestly, this is a personal choice, and some people never feel ready. But if you've built a loyal audience, you're probably ready to start exploring those options. So what are you waiting for? Check out the Creator Academy to learn more. Bye for now.